Looks like some new chickens in there. At Belfair Farms, the schooling show today. Jack competed in a bunch of events. He's put away for the day, and I figured I'd tour around the backside. Pond. Some ducks. Pigs all the way over there. Probably can't see them from here. But I figured Jill's going to show a lot of nice videos of horses jumping and all the excitement of the schooling show. I would show the backside of the farm. New chicken coop getting built back here. Some goats, if anybody wants to see some goats. Hello, goats. I think I scared them. Are you sleeping? You sleeping? Couple ducks. Rocket. Rocket the racehorse. Some more chickens. Normal looking chickens. Cut through here. You can probably hear the announcing still in the background. Well, that's Poop Mountain. That's where all my money goes. I helped build probably half of that. Hey, Bree. Yep, looks like they're done for the day. But what a gorgeous day. I don't know, 60, 62, sunshine, blue skies. It did not start that way. It was freezing this morning. Jill did the ribbons. She was down at the table in the shade. And it was cold all morning. I stopped a couple times, but I was not gonna hang around. Everyone wrapping up for the day, putting horses away. We'll go inside quick, say hello to Mr. Jack. Only 3 minutes in. All right. Come on up there. Everybody's tired. There we go. There's our boy. Looking pretty clean and white still. We don't often see that. You're still clean. Clean for the show, huh? Mommy was here late scrubbing you up. Jackass. Oh, and they clipped your hair again. Oh, no. Oh, no. I think they have to clip him for the show, but... Did he do good today?
Yeah, he didn't make it.
He got a lot of ribbons. I'm sure that Jill will show you all the exciting parts. Sweet baby Maple. Come here, baby. Come here. Got you on camera. Get over here. Come here, honey. Now she thinks I got a treat. Little Minnie heading out. Mr. King up from his nap. All right, well, that's the behind the scenes tour for the Belfair Farms schooling show. And say goodbye, Mr. Jack. All right. Make it a great night, family and friends. See ya.